Hold on to your hats. The oil price is up 15% in 5 days, and chip stocks are soaring. Nvidia is once again the second biggest company in the world. Good morning. Welcome to the Daily. My name is Jessica Amir, market strategist with Moomoo. Well, US markets fell on the back foot on Monday, hit by two pretty big headwinds. Bond yields rose above 4%, and Brent crude topped $81. Both a first for the first time since August, with oil jumping about 4%. Now, we are seeing rising tensions, of course, in the Middle East, and the US has struck down on Houthi rebels, and Hezbollah and Israel clashes have added to market uncertainty. Meanwhile, we did see a better than expected US jobs report, and that suggests the US Federal Reserve, the central bank, may slow down their pace of rate cuts. So investors are flocking into oil stocks and the oil sector alike, and also buying into defensive stocks and sectors such as healthcare stocks, while broad equities did fall, with the S&P and the Dow Jones losing 1%, while we are continuing to see bulls stick to semiconductors, and that's pushed Nvidia shares up 2.2%. And that's, of course, ahead of Nvidia's 3-day AI summit that kicks off this week, bringing AI and chip stocks to the forefront again, with Nvidia's AI conference focused on how AI can tackle some of the biggest society challenges, ranging from healthcare to cybersecurity to manufacturing, and how AI can help that. Investors may be also betting that Nvidia could potentially overtake Apple once again. That's if it gains $300 billion in market value. Meanwhile, speaking of other semiconductor stocks, Supermicro Computer, or SMCI, their shares surged a massive 16%. And that's after they announced that they sold 100,000 graphic processing units in the quarter, forecasting a very strong demand cycle ahead. Also staying in tech, Elon Musk is expected to unveil the highly anticipated robo-taxi on Thursday at Warner Brothers Studios in LA, and continuing to see buying into Tesla on the Moomoo platform and Nvidia. So we'll watch and wait and see if that continues this week. Locally, all eyes are on lithium stocks. That's because Rio Tinto has begun takeover talks of a US lithium producer called Arcadium. Now, this possibly signals what we could be seeing at a much bigger scale, potentially a lithium market rebound. Indeed, possibly expecting M&A activity to pick up. Moving to the macroeconomic horizon, focus today is on the RBA's meeting minutes from their September interest rate meeting. We're also hearing from the RBA Deputy Governor looking for comments of potential rate cuts, but that's pretty unlikely. Meanwhile, on Wednesday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is expected to widely cut interest rates by 0.5%. And on Thursday, focus is on US data, inflation data. Core inflation is expected to pick up modestly month on month. And on Friday, US producer inflation data, or known as PPI, that's out. So there's plenty to watch. And that's the Daily.